Hey everyone, this is Erin here. I know a lot of you have been on the hunt for these new Valentine themed paper pads from Michaels. I'm so excited. I finally got my hands on both of these. And for those of you that have not been able to find them yet, I thought I'd just come on and do a quick flip through so you can see what each of the pages look like before you buy them. Okay, so we'll start with this one. It's super cute. It's called Love and Devotion. You've got pink and red hearts. This very pretty Happy Valentine's Day. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's very sparkly, glittery. Then you've got just red with X's and O's and hearts for Valentine's Day. This super cute love page. I really want to be your Valentine. You have stolen my heart. Be mine, Valentine. These are so cute. This is like chocolate dipped strawberries for Valentine's Day with little X's and O's, hearts. This is another one that's sparkly, a little bit of glitter in the hearts. I don't know if you can get it, see that in the camera. It's X's and O's, little arrows. Then you've got just a red and pink polka dot. Then you've got these, it's got love, sending you lots of love, you and me with the cute bicycle. Red page with all of the like little conversation heart type hearts, little cookies. XOXO, kiss me, love. Then you've got a red, pink, and white diagonal stripe, and there is some glitter in the red there. Very pretty. Then you've got this cute bicycle. Look at the little envelopes. So cute. It's the envelope up here with the hearts. Then you've got a white with little tiny hearts. Looks like little triangles and squares also, pink and red. Look at this one, you guys. It's so cute. It's shiny. It's not glitter. It's just kind of shiny. It says love with the lips and the hearts. And you've got this one. Soulmate, right through my heart, being my Valentine, a little cupcake, kiss, so cute. Those are shiny too. And you've got white with the little hearts and arrows. It says love. This is white with the pink floral hearts. This is like a little confetti sprinkles, little tiny hearts in there. It's red. Then you've got a pink Valentine floral. Then you've got this page, that cute you and me bike. Red and white, X's and O's. The O's are hearts. So cute. Lips. Then you've got this big heart. This is a light pink with white. It says love. And that is it for that one, you guys. Super cute. That one was called Love and Devotion. And now this one, you guys, I wasn't even planning on getting this one, but when I saw it, it is so cute. I had to have it. Look at the cute little pets and ice cream and hearts. It's so cute. This one is called Better Together. And I'll show you what pages are inside. I've got heart eyes for you. Then you've got a pink, white, and red stripe. This is so cute. I'm over the rainbow for you. I think these are super cute. Stuck on you. Frankly, you're great. Pugs and kisses. Be my Meowentine. I love you to pizzas. Puppy love. We sparkle together. You're cherry-rific. Look at these cute doggies, you guys. They're little Valentine puppies. It says, I rough you. Then you've got a pink with little white specks. This is red with pink kind of checker print. You're my favorite. Then you've got the pink and white checker print. These cute hearts, red and pink. I like you a whole bunch. You are top dog. That's how I roll. I'm so in love with these, you guys. Look at this. I'm over the rainbow for you. You really rock. You're my jam. You are so gosh, I can't even talk. Beautiful. Stuck on you. You color my world. Then you've got these cute ice cream cones and lollipops and hearts. Little Valentine roller skates. Then you've got pink. It just says love. This is glittery. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's very glittery. Then you've got this. It's just cute with the fruit and the doggies and the cassette tapes. It's so cute. Pretty rainbows. Then you've got a bright pink with little hearts and stars and smiley faces. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. It's very tiny. I think this is really cute. It's like a teal blue with pink, purple, and orange hearts with faces. And you've got a pink and white stripe. And this cute bright pink with the puppies. Here's a pretty purple with pink and white hearts. And then you've got this light pink with the smiley faces, hearts, and stars. And there's one more. It's a pink and purple rainbow. Super cute. So that's both of the paper pads that I've been able to find at Michael's. Love and Devotion and Better Together. They're so cute. I don't even know if I'll be able to use the paper now because I just want to keep it. It's so pretty. If you haven't been able to find this yet at Michael's, don't give up. You can also order online through their website. At least now you know what the paper looks like before you buy it. Michael's has been a little slow this year to get out their Valentine items, I've noticed, at a lot of locations. So if yours hasn't got it in yet, they will. This is by Recollections at Michael's. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!